Hello everyone and welcome to How Logical, where we bring you latest tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. Topic for today is how to download Twitter app on your mobile device. Having the app on your mobile device can help you to connect with friends or influencers and engage with the latest trend. Just follow this step-by-step guide and have your Twitter app installed in minutes. So stick around till the end. To begin with, go to the Play Store. If you're using an Apple device, then you can go to the App Store. Once you're in the Play Store, click on the search box and then type Twitter. It's the first app that pops up with a black logo and an X written on it. If you are wondering, Twitter recently changed its logo and its name to X. So install this X app. It will take some time to download the app and install it on your device. Once it is installed, open it. Since I already have an account with Twitter, I'll continue with Google, select my email ID and the app opens up. If you are wondering how to create a Twitter account, then you can watch my other videos, and this is how you install the Twitter app or the X app on your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more informative contents like this, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.